Hello and welcome back to another video on our channel How to Guide. In this episode, I'm going to teach you how you can change the video quality on your Netflix account. So if this sounds helpful, watch our video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already and turn on the notifications to never miss any upcoming uploads. To change the quality of your video on Netflix, you'll need to open the Netflix app. You can only perform this action on the Netflix app and not on the website of Netflix. Now firstly, open up the Netflix app, then click on the profile. Now go to app settings. Now from here, under video playback, on the top you can see an option called cellular data use. By default, it is set to automatic. Now if you want to increase the quality of your video on Netflix, you can turn this off and choose maximum data or Wi-Fi only. The video quality of Netflix will also depend on the speed of your internet. Then if you choose Wi-Fi only, then it will improve the quality of your video according to your Wi-Fi speed. But if you want to save your data and do not have Wi-Fi, then you can click on save data option. What this will do is reduce the quality of your video by a little bit, but it will also save the data and would not buffer while you have a slow connection. If you want to increase or decrease the download video quality, you can do so by clicking on download video quality under downloads. If you set it on standard, it will use less data and less storage. But if you want HD quality on your downloaded videos, you can simply switch it to high. If you do that, any videos you download from Netflix will be downloaded in HD. So those were the few easy steps to change your video quality on Netflix. I hope you guys found this video to be helpful. If you did, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. We upload similar videos like this every day, so make sure you are notified every time we post. And that's it for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.